Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Okoyemi Falade. In this video, I would like to teach you how to use some time intelligence functions in Microsoft Excel. As a data analyst, be it a finance analyst, health analyst, HR analyst, and whatever, it is essential you are able to use some Microsoft Excel functions, and this will also help you when it comes to writing DAX function in Power BI and whenever you are trying to deal with things that have to do with time intelligence. The first I would like to mention is the today function. The second one is the now. The third one is the EOMONTH, the EDATE, the network days international, and the year frac. The today function is simply by typing equals today for you to track today's date, as simple as it is. Make sure you type equals today, open parentheses, close parentheses, and press enter. So it will tell you today's date. And however, you can change the formatting of this date given to you depending on your choice. We can do that using our text to column. Go to your data tool, click on text to column, next, just keep on pressing next. Do not choose any delimiter, press next, and choose the formatting you want. It's telling me that this is month, day, year. By default, this date format is month, day, year. So I want day, month, year. You can see all the 6 possible date format: MDY, month, day, year; DMY, day, month, year; YMD, year, month, day; MYD, month, year, date; DYM, date, year, month; YDM, year, day, month. So you can use any of this. I prefer day, month, year, and I'll press finish. Immediately I press finish, nothing is changing. So I will right click again and I will click on format cell. I will click on the format cell to choose what interests me, and in that case I will choose something of this nature, something that looks like this, and I'll press OK. So in that case I now have the 6th July 2024. So this is how you can format your date to what you like. For now, equals now is for you to be able to know the date and the time whenever you are using, as at the point where you are using your Microsoft Excel. So in this case, where I am, we are in evening time, 4:11 p.m., the 6th of July 2024. What about the EOMONTH? When do we use EOMONTH? Whenever you want to know the end, what is going to be the date at the end of a particular month. Don't forget, we have been taught in high school 30 days are September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31 except February alone, which has 28 days or 29 days in leap year. So this little song will guide you sometimes when you are working with dates in analytics. So for the EOMONTH, we can see that if we have the start of a month to be 17th March 2021, you just need to type the EOMONTH to know the end of that. What's going to be the date at the end of the month? The start date 17th of March, comma. So in this case, you are given 6 months. That is, if the start date is 17th March 2021, in the next 6 months, in that month after 6 months, what is going to be the last date? Let me repeat myself. You are having an event or something started at the 17th of March 2021. Now, you want to see what will happen at the end, what is going to be the exact day in the 6th month, in 6 months time. So now in that month, what is going to be the date at the end of that month in 6 months time? And that will be the 30th of September 2021. So by default, you are going to use EDATE, expiring date, to know the exact date. If the start date is 17 March 2021, in 6 months time, you are having, can you see now? This is another thing you need to learn. The date format was given in number format. So the shortcut key is Shift Control and hash. Shift Control hash on your keyboard is going to give you the right format. So the 17th of March 2021 in 6 months time supposed to be 17th September 2021. But we are interested in that month of September 2021, what is going to be the date at the end of that month? The date will be 30th of September 2021. I hope you get it now. So I use the EOMONTH to know the date at the end of that month in 6 months time, while I use the EDATE, expiring date, to know the exact time in that month in 6 months time. So if if a given start date is 7th July 1978, what is going to be the end of the month in that month of July 1978? So I can drag this down and I'll be able to see that, oh, that's true. 30 days are September. Can you see that? April, June, and November. All the rest have 31. So July is part of the month that has 31. 30 days are September, April, June, and November. April is part of the month that has 30. 30 days are September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31 except February alone, which has 28 days or 29 days in leap year. So you can see that 1977, the month of February is 28 because it's not a leap year. So this is how you can use the EOMONTH in Microsoft Excel. More so, we have the Network Days International. If you are working with a multinational company and you are interested to know what exactly is the number of working days in that year, you just need to use your equals network international. So don't use the first one. So the start date is this given date, which is the 7th of January. You follow the syntax. The end date is the 7th of September. And you can see the next syntax is asking you the country where you are. Your weekend, is it Saturday and Sunday? Is it Sunday and Monday? Is it Monday and Tuesday? So you choose the option that works for you. In Arabian countries, if I'm not mistaken, their weekend is Thursday and Friday, which is option 6. But I believe as a Nigerian, our weekend is Saturday and Sunday. So I will choose the first option there and I'll press enter. So within the 7th of January 2021 to 7th of September 2021, we have 174 international working days. I can drag this down also and I will have this. We also have the year frac. What do we use the year frac for? The year frac is to be able to determine our date of birth. So let me use today's date as a criteria. Okay, and once I use it as a criteria, I will drag it down, and for me to use the year frac, I will just use equals year frac equals year frac. You can see the start date, comma, the end date, comma,